Hello my friends, it's Odette here. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are all well. Before we get into the video, let's talk about what's going on here. The dress is from Primark. You would have seen this in the last video. My eyes are done using the Melt Cosmetic palette, and I use the blue colors that's in here, which is so pretty. Beautiful, vibrant colors. I love this palette. It's featured in my magazine. My eyelashes are from Allure. This is Allure Texture Lashes. Beautiful lashes. The lipstick is also from Primark. It's called Desire. You would have seen this in the last video as well. But I'm just going to leave the card somewhere just in case you guys want to go back and check out that video. Well, let's talk about this hair, shall we guys? Shall we? I don't even know what to say about this hair. I have no idea where to start. This hair is from Wiget.co.uk. You guys know that this is my favorite place to shop for my units here in London. The most beautiful unit ever. I mean, I've purchased so many units from Wiget.co.uk. I don't even know which ones is my favorite. I really don't know. This girl is called Precious and Premium Synthetic Braid. It's lace front. I'm going to leave all the details of this unit in the description box for you guys. So let me just show you a little bit more details on this unit. You're looking at the card right now. The card you're looking at is the purple and black. Obviously, I don't have that color. It's the blonde with the black roots that I do have right now. And this card just basically gives you a little information about the wig and some care instructions as well. Beautiful, beautiful unit. I love it. Premium synthetic wig. Again, it's lace front. It's called Precious MLF 307. All the details will be below for you guys. And here you are looking at Precious right now. Beautiful unit. Not a single shedding in this unit. I love the blonde and black highlights. It's so very pretty. And I didn't think I was gonna like this unit, but it fits me perfectly. Here you can see it's a lace front unit, and the lace, the part on this wig is very deep, so you can go in and customize that however you want. It's a deep part. You have two combs to the front, you have one to the back, and the construction of this unit is really, really, really nice. You do have the adjustable straps as well in here, just in case you want to pull this a little bit tighter to suit your needs. It is a beautiful wig. Again, you can see the deep lace part right there. It is so pretty. Now, let me tell you exactly what I've done to this unit. As you can see, it's a lace front unit. The only thing I did is cut the lace off, and that's it. I did not do anything else with this unit. I don't have any clips. I didn't have any sprays. I don't have any glues in here. The lace is cut off, and that's it. I just went in with some concealer, and I took a small brush. Let me just see if I can find a small brush here. And this is from Fashion Fair. It's just a concealer. You can use any concealer you want. And of course, you know, the lace part is quite deep, and I just trimmed the lace part a little bit, and I use this mini trimmer, and I got this from Amazon. It's going to be linked below for you guys just in case you want to get it. And I find this works really well if you want to customize the lace to the front of your unit, if you want to make that part a little bit deeper. And I just took a little bit of concealer, and I just put this to the front right there, and that's it. Brush that down, and I'm good to go. That's all I've done with this hair. I remember back in the days when I was much younger, when my mom used to wear wigs. I mean, they were just so badly made. I would say to my mom, you know, you look like you're wearing a bird's nest on your head. But back then, you know, they look really good. They think they look like they're in style and looking like they're in fashion. But the wigs were just so awful. But I'm really pleased that for the last few years, the construction of units has just changed. I'm one of those people, I don't like to fuss with anything. I just like things to be really, really simple. I don't like to, you know, do too much with my units, you know, with the baby hairs and all that stuff. I really don't like it. Really, really simple. And this is one of the things that I love about this company, that when you buy your hair from them, all you gotta do is to cut the lace off. And if you want to go in with your clips and your sprays, go right ahead. But for me, I don't like to do any of that stuff unless it's necessary. But with this one, on the head, I just took my brush, brushed this down a little bit, and as you can see, I'm brushing this hair out, and I do not have any shedding in this hair. It is so soft, it is so beautiful, and it fits my skin perfectly. It actually matches my makeup, matches my clothes. It's one of those hairstyles and color. Well, not really style, but it's one of those hair colors that can really match anything that you wear. I absolutely love this hair. It is just so pretty. This is the first time I'm actually wearing a blonde and black wig. I didn't think it was going to fit my face, but I think it's blonde. I think that's what it is. It's quite pretty. All the details will be left below for you guys. So it's a quick show and tell from Wiget.co.uk. Again, I guarantee you when you go on their website, you are going to find something that you like. This is not a paid video. I'm not getting paid for this video, but only because I love the company so much and they do such fabulous work with their units. The units are so beautiful, easy to work with, very little shedding, very little things to do with these units, and then you are just good to go. And that's it. So this is the front of it. I'm just going to pull back a little bit. And this is the back. Very pretty, very soft, gorgeous, gorgeous unit. All the details will be left below for you guys. And I do hope you enjoy this little show and tell video. This again is from Wiget.co.uk. All the details will be in the description box for you guys. Hope you enjoyed this little video today. My name is Odette. Thank you guys for watching. Shall see you next time. Toodles.